Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to be bringing you another banger, another trading system. Whenever I bring these trading systems, it makes me happy. I'm just glad to see people smiling when they make profits. Now, most people find it difficult coming despite some of the free indicators that I give to them on my trading channel, my Telegram channel in the description of this video. They still find it difficult to subscribe, to like my videos, and it's very discouraging. So please consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos. That is your way of appreciating me, because most trading systems I drop here are completely for free. So without wasting further time, let's get to this system. This system is a MACD scalper. It's based on the MACD. And how do you use this system? Well, obviously, as you can see to my left, I have a board right there, this board. If this board changes either to a blue or to a yellow, you know that the trend is changing. So, sorry, whenever this board changes, this dashboard, you can see right here that it's currently in red. As you can see, it has done its analysis and it's telling you that it's for sales only. If this board changes to a green, it's for buys only. And if it changes to gray, then do not take any trades. Now, as you can see, we also have further confirmation. Let's see how it goes. So at this point, and I might tell you also that this does not repaint. Arrows does not repaint. So at this point, we see that the arrow popped up here, and we look below, and we see that another arrow is here, and this is red. Why not you take that sell entry, put your stops above, and ride? Same thing we had here. Even though in this instance, the stop loss was big, so I would have put the stop just right below the arrow, make a few pips, and get out of the market. Now for M1, if you're using M1, always aim for 18 pips, and if you're using M30 or thereabouts, always aim for 30 pips. If you're using the H1, always aim for 80 pips. And this is it. Another entry right here, coincides. Nice. It's in profit. So currently the market is on a sell. You see another right here, profitable. Now you might want to test this out on demo account if you're not so good with trading indicators. Right here, profitable. Test out on demo account, and in this instance, this should have been a losing trade, and we find that right here, the market was ranging. So probably at this point, this board would have shown you a gray color, so you would have stayed away from that trade. As you can see, look at that. It's banging, bro. Banging. Look at that. How do I come across good systems? I don't have a weak line of trading systems on my channel. They're just not for me. Just not for me. Look at that. It only picks trending market most of the times. It catches those big moves. So that's just about it for this trading system. Do not forget to like this video, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. This is a MACD scalping trading system that can change your trading game. I can promise you that. This is not a financial advice. Just know that the forex market, you can lose money. Now, this is my disclaimer. You can lose money. You can lose quite a huge amount of finance. So always put into risk what you can afford to lose in the forex market. That's my advice to you all. I'll see you all in my next video, guys. Peace.